Why meal prep helps with weight loss.
Meal prep puts you in control of what and how much you eat. By planning ahead, you can avoid impulsive choices and high-calorie takeout. Preparing your meals ensures you use fresh ingredients and balanced portions, making it easier to stick with your weight loss goals. Consistent meal prep saves time, reduces stress, and supports healthier habits every day.
Key principles of portion control.
Portion control means eating the right amount for your body's needs. Use measuring cups, a food scale, or visual guides like the plate method. Half vegetables, a quarter lean protein, and a quarter whole grains. Paying attention to serving sizes helps prevent overeating and keeps your calorie intake in check, which is crucial for effective weight management.
Easy steps to start meal prepping.
To start meal prepping, choose your recipes and create a shopping list. Set aside time each week to cook and portion out your meals into containers. Label them with the day and ingredients to stay organized. Start simple with a few meals, then expand as you gain confidence. This habit makes healthy eating more convenient and sustainable.
Smart meal prep portioning tips.
For effective portioning, use smaller plates and bowls to naturally limit servings. Divide meals in advance rather than cooking in large batches you'll serve yourself from later. Include lots of non-starchy vegetables. They're filling and low in calories. Avoid eating straight from packages, and always check nutrition labels to avoid hidden calories.
Staying consistent for long-term success.
Consistency is key for long-term weight management. Make meal prep part of your routine and adjust as your needs change. Celebrate your progress and don't be discouraged by occasional setbacks. Over time, portion control and planned meals become second nature, supporting both your weight loss and overall wellness.